Pohick Creek Dam Rehabilitation Project is a project that was completed by the Department of Public Works and Environmental Services over about 8 years, where we rehabilitated 4 facilities in the Pohick watershed. The 4 dams that were rehabilitated were the Royal Lake Dam, which is where we are right now, and Woodland Lake Dam, Lake Barton Dam, and the Huntsman Lake Dam. Over the years, the dam safety standards have gotten more stringent, both the state standards and the federal standards. And the organization that originally built these facilities for flood control and water quality, the Natural Resources Conservation Service, which is part of the USDA, determined that these needed an upgrade. On the national scale, all of these dams are considered small dams. They're all earth dams, so they've been designed to blend with the landscape. And a lot of people just don't realize that it's actually a dam when they walk on the dam. But if you look out in the lake, there's a concrete structure, small structure. That's the principal spillway. And most of the time when you have smaller events, the flows go through there. When you get a big event, which approaches a 100-year event, which has about a 1% chance of occurring in any given year, the flows actually come into the auxiliary spillway. And that was the problem. All these auxiliary spillways, they determined at the design flow would erode and potentially breach, and then you have the potential for an uncontrolled release of water from the dam. Everyone living in the breach zone should feel safer, because we've now upgraded them where they'll safely convey the design flow and the auxiliary spillway will not erode. It was a very successful partnership with the Natural Resources Conservation Service. They actually, as part of their dam rehab project, they provide approximately 2/3 of the funding. And so the total cost of these projects was over $12 billion, and they contributed about $8 million. And in addition, they provided a lot of technical assistance because the rehab designs are fairly unique and specialized, so they provide a lot of guidance. If citizens need more information about the project, they can visit the Department of Public Works and Environmental Services webpage on the county's website.